So this is the RotoTilt system that we use on the new next-gen excavators. This is a high-flow R8 RotoTilt. This provides 360 degrees of rotation and 40 degrees of tilt to any attachment that goes on there. We actually have our high-flow circuit that comes out the side here for running attachments like the undercutter, brush cutters, cold air snow blowers, any of those high-flow, high-performance attachments come through here. Then in the back we've got our auxiliary circuits here. Our low flow circuit, this will actually run like a tie head to open and close the jaws, open and close the tamper, open the door on a mulcher, do that. Then we got a case drain here for our high flow attachments as well, to bleed out any case pressure that might be in the motor while you're working. And then here we have our exclusive attachment recognition system. This plug right here, each of our attachments has a discrete plug, plugs right into the RotoTilt. When you start the machine, it'll automatically recognize what that tool is, sets up all the parameters for the flows, the pressures, the joysticks, everything to be able to control that attachment efficiently.